All right, Bill, have a look at this. Here's the bathroom in its current state of dissolving. I freaking finally figured it out. It took me forever. Let me show you. Okay, took this access panel out. The water was dripping from here. It was coming into here, and it was going back here and leaching behind the drywall, and this has been going on for years. And all the plumbing, you can't see it, let me use the flashlight. All the pipes are back in there. There are no pipes here. So as you know, I've been puzzling over this for, I don't know, 2 months. Well, anyway, I just started systematically doing stuff. And looky here, look what I discovered. I took off this down thing here, and I discovered, there's your gaskets. There's a little bit of a backflow and leak when this thing is on. So there'd be a little bit of drippage coming from behind this thing when you pulled up on this to take a shower. And guess what happened? Well, looky here, we got a hole in the wall. And the water was dripping right here behind the wall, right here. And it was leaching down here. And then it was kind of migrating over to here. And hence the leak. Because the stupid plumber who did this didn't put some caulk or putty here. So anyway, victory at sea, the stupid thing. I figured it out, and I'm going to fix it and put it all back together. Luckily, we won't have to call a plumber, and hopefully by the time you come out here in spring or summer, we'll have this bathroom up and running again. So anyway, I'll tell you more about it on the phone, and thanks again for the great birthday card and present that came yesterday, and we will hopefully talk to you soon.